Imagine walking out the door without reaching for your phone. No checking your pockets, no pulling out a device to answer messages, translate a conversation, capture a photo, or ask an AI assistant for help. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming reality faster than most people expected. Thanks to incredible advances in AI, cameras, augmented reality, and voice technology, today's smart glasses are evolving into powerful wearable computers. Industry analysts even see 2026 as a breakthrough year for mainstream smart glasses adoption. In today's video, we're counting down 15 smart glasses, so advanced they could replace your pocket device. From AI-powered assistants and real-time translation to immersive displays and hands-free photography, these futuristic wearables are redefining how we work, travel, communicate, and experience the world around us. Some are already available, while others are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, let's get started. VITURE Helix. If you've ever wondered what smart glasses could do beyond notifications and entertainment, the VITURE Helix is built to answer that question. Instead of targeting casual users, these AI-powered safety glasses are designed for professionals working in labs, factories, healthcare, and industrial environments. Starting at $599, Helix combines a 12-megapixel first-person camera, 4-microphone array, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and standalone operation without needing a smartphone. Powered by NVIDIA's XR AI platform, it delivers real-time AI guidance, workflow assistance, and hands-free documentation. If enterprise AI is the future of work, the VITURE Helix is already taking the first step. Monako Glass. Not every smart glass is designed for everyday consumers. Some are built to push the limits of what's possible, and Monako Glass does exactly that. Priced at $399, this lightweight 48-gram wearable runs a Linux-based Mono OS, making it one of the first smart glasses created with developers and AI power users in mind. It features a waveguide display, 0.5 TOPS NPU, ARM Cortex A7 processor, camera, bone conduction microphone, gesture controls, and support for Claude Code and OpenAI codecs. If you're looking for a wearable AI workstation instead of ordinary smart glasses, Monako Glass is in a league of its own. Oakley Meta AI Glasses. Designed for athletes, creators, and outdoor adventurers, the Oakley Meta AI Glasses prove that performance eyewear can be just as smart as your phone. Starting at $399, these glasses combine a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 3K hands-free video recording, open-ear speakers, 5-microphone array, Meta AI voice assistant, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3 into a rugged, lightweight design. Paired with Oakley's signature prism lens technology, they deliver crystal-clear vision while capturing every moment from your perspective. If you want premium sports eyewear with powerful AI features, these glasses are hard to beat. XREAL Aura. Rather than creating another pair of display glasses, XREAL Aura is aiming to redefine spatial computing. Expected to launch in fall 2026 with a price of up to $1,500, it combines Android XR with Gemini AI to deliver a truly immersive experience. The glasses feature a 70-degree optical see-through display, Sony Micro OLED panels, 120 Hz refresh rate, 6 DOF tracking, hand tracking, Bose-tuned spatial audio, and a dual-chip architecture powered by the Snapdragon Reality Elite platform. If you're ready to experience the next generation of AI-powered wearable computing, XREAL Aura is one of the most exciting smart glasses to watch. Ray Neo Air 4 Pro. Movie lovers and mobile gamers don't always need a massive TV to enjoy a cinematic experience, and the Ray Neo Air 4 Pro proves it. Starting at $299, these lightweight 76-gram AR glasses create a stunning 201-inch virtual display with 1080p micro OLED panels, HDR10 support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 1200 nits of brightness. They also feature Bang & Olufsen-tuned quad speakers, AI SDR to HDR upscaling, and USB-C plug-and-play compatibility with smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and more. If you're searching for a portable private theater, the Rainio Air 4 Pro delivers an impressive entertainment experience wherever you go. Captify Glasses. Unlike most smart glasses that focus on entertainment or AI assistance, Captify Glasses were created with a much more meaningful purpose: helping people hear conversations through their eyes. Starting at $499 for the MyVu model, they display real-time captions and live translations directly on a binocular waveguide display with 1,500 nits of brightness. They also feature Bluetooth 5.3, dual beamforming microphones, stereo directional speakers, IPX4 water resistance, and up to 4 hours of continuous use. For anyone with hearing loss or language barriers, Captify Glasses can make everyday conversations more accessible and confident. MIRA AI Glasses. Instead of replacing your smartphone, MIRA AI Glasses are designed to become your personal memory and AI assistant throughout the day. Starting at $649, these lightweight 39-gram glasses feature a private dual waveguide display, 2,000 nit brightness, 10-hour battery life, dual microphones, built-in speakers, and real-time translation in over 60 languages. They can transcribe conversations, recall important information, answer questions, and even manage emails and calendar events, all without a camera, keeping your privacy intact. If productivity and memory matter more than photos, MIRA delivers one of the smartest wearable AI experiences available. Google Intelligent Eyewear. Google isn't just making another pair of smart glasses, it's building an entire AI-powered wearable ecosystem. While pricing hasn't been officially announced, estimates place Google Intelligent Eyewear between $350 and $500 when it launches. Running on Android XR with Gemini AI, the glasses offer real-time translation, turn-by-turn navigation, hands-free messaging and calls, photo capture, voice-controlled app integration, and private directional speakers. Developed with Samsung, Warby Parker, and Gentle Monster, these stylish wearables aim to make everyday tasks effortless. If Google delivers on its promises, your smartphone could spend a lot more time staying in your pocket. Lucid Reebok. Built for people who want smart features without sacrificing everyday style, Lucid Reebok smart glasses blend athletic design with practical technology. Starting at $249, these lightweight 40 to 43 gram glasses feature premium open-ear hi-fi speakers, noise-canceling microphones, Bluetooth connectivity, up to 12 hours of battery life, and instant access to your favorite voice assistant for hands-free calls, music, navigation, and AI support. They're also prescription-ready and designed for all-day comfort with flexible, sport-inspired frames. If you want smart eyewear that looks as good as it performs, Lucid Reebok is an excellent choice. Even Reality's G2. Most smart glasses try to grab your attention with cameras and speakers, but Even Reality's G2 takes a refreshingly different approach. Starting at $600, these lightweight AI glasses feature a micro LED waveguide display with 1,200 nits of brightness, a 27.5-degree field of view, Bluetooth 5.4, 4 microphones, IP65 water resistance, and up to 2 days of battery life. Instead of recording the world around you, they focus on productivity with live translation, AI assistance, navigation, and a built-in teleprompter. If privacy and everyday practicality matter most, the Even Reality's G2 is one of the smartest wearables you can buy. Rokid AI Glasses Style. Instead of packing bulky displays into a pair of glasses, Rokid AI Glasses Style focuses on what matters most: lightweight comfort and intelligent everyday assistance. Starting at $299, these ultralight 38.5 gram smart glasses feature a 12-megapixel camera, ChatGPT and Gemini AI integration, open ear speakers, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, and an impressive 12-hour battery life. They also support real-time translation, hands-free calls, navigation, and custom prescription lenses, making them ideal for daily wear. If you're searching for stylish AI glasses that blend powerful features with all-day comfort, Rokid AI Glasses style is an outstanding choice. XREAL ROG R1. Serious gamers know that a great display can make all the difference, and the ROG XREAL R1 brings that experience anywhere you go. Priced at $849, these premium AR gaming glasses feature a massive 171-inch virtual micro OLED display, an industry-first 240Hz refresh rate, 0.01 millisecond response time, 57-degree field of view, native 3DOF spatial tracking, electrochromic dimming, and Bose-tuned speakers. A dedicated ROG control dock also adds seamless compatibility with PCs, consoles, and handhelds like the ROG Ally. If portable gaming is your priority, the ROG XREAL R1 delivers one of the most immersive experiences available. Quark AI Glasses. Breaking into the AI wearables race, Quark AI Glasses prove that Alibaba is serious about the future of smart eyewear. Starting at $268 for the G1 model, these glasses are powered by Qwen AI and offer real-time translation, voice interaction, object and price recognition, navigation, and seamless integration with Alipay and Taobao. The premium S1 model adds a micro-LED waveguide display with up to 2,300 nits of brightness for an enhanced AR experience. If you're looking for AI glasses that blend everyday convenience with powerful, intelligent assistants, Quark AI Glasses are definitely worth watching. Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses. For millions of people, hearing conversations in noisy places can be a daily challenge, and Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses offer a clever solution without looking like traditional hearing aids. Starting at $700 for non-prescription models, these innovative glasses feature 6 directional microphones, open-ear speakers, beamforming technology, personalized sound calibration, and an easy-to-use companion app. Designed for people with mild to moderate hearing loss, they amplify voices while reducing background noise, all inside a stylish frame. If you want clearer conversations without wearing conventional hearing aids, Nuance Audio Hearing Glasses are a truly game-changing innovation.